to come in and talk about black guys?
Go on then.
No, because I feel like you black guys nowadays are not romantic at all.
Uh-oh, here we go. Go on, go on, go on. Why'd
What?
you say
Wait,
that?
what do you mean he? Wait, what do you mean here we go?
No, but like you just the way you came in is like, I want to talk about black guys, and I don't feel like you're romantic. Okay, why do you feel like that?
Because like a lot of black girls nowadays like don't know how to take girls out on dates, like pursue girls, romanticize them. Like all you lot want to do is just like have sex and that's it.
Okay, but don't you feel like women of these days are different to how women used to be back in the day? When like,
Yeah,
cause think about it. What you're saying is you want guys to be traditional, like take the girl, court the girl, take her out on dates, show her that you really care, boom, 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 which is not a bad thing, but that's like traditional behavior. Now,
yeah.
but would you say that girls of today are traditional girls?
No.
So then that's your answer then.
Yeah, but that don't mean that guys can't treat us traditionally though, because we're not traditional girls.
Yeah, they can't, but why should guys do that when you don't act the right way?
So we've got to act traditional so you guys can treat us traditionally. That don't make no sense.
It makes perfect sense. Why? Well, think about this. Think about it, yeah. Why would I, let's put yourself in a guy's shoes. Yeah, I know it's difficult, but put yourself in a guy's shoes. Why would you go out of your way? First, you gotta impress the girl enough to give you the number, all of that. Then you have to entertain her to the point where she's even willing to see you. Then
Yeah.
then now you're expected to pay for everything, pick her up in the whip, pay for everything, show her a good time, entertain her the whole time, and then drop her off. When really and truly the girl's probably talking to 10 other guys, bruv, and she's probably sleeping with her ex-boyfriend, bruv.
Yeah.
So in your mind, does that make sense? Think about it. If you had a son, would you want your son to do that for a girl like that?
Yeah, because he's a guy. That's what he's meant to do.
Yeah, but the girls are not doing what they're meant to do.
Like what?
Like, okay, like for instance, yeah, girls these days, yeah, like are very, very free to just, throw their box around these days. Like, it's not like before. There was like a level of shame to throwing your box around or just having a rude attitude or bad attitude or looking down on the average guy and stuff like that. It was just a different vibe though back in the day.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm saying? But nowadays you got girls calling guys black guys the N-word and stuff like that. Oh, you guys ain't nothing. You guys all you lot are broke. Blah blah blah. It's just like, bro, like, there's no respect there no more. There's no respect there no more, bro. Like, so the door swings both ways. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, if you want to be a modern woman and you want to have all the freedom to do whatever and you want to talk trash about guys and have a crazy attitude and stuff like that, don't expect guys to be like perfect guys for you. It just don't work like that.
Yeah, but you've got to understand that a lot of girls are not like that out there. Like, some of my friends are actually like good girls, traditional girls, but they still got these guys out here treating them like shit.
Yeah, okay, but then we have to ask the question: what are the kind of guys that they like to date?
Yeah, but these are just regular guys though. Like they work.
What do you mean by
They
regular
go,
guys? What do you mean, like they?
regular guys, like they work. You know what I mean? Like they go to work, they make their money legally. They go home and they mind their business.
And then what? So what you're saying is, okay. I'm asking you, in your opinion, do you think the majority of black guys who are legit, just do mind their business, blah blah blah, they're the ones causing the problems for you black girls?
Not all of them, but some are, because I feel like because they actually like earn money and like they've got things going on for themselves, they have like this like attitude and persona. So when it comes to like them chatting to girls, um they don't really put their all into it. Do you know what I mean? Like they just move bitchy because they make legal money and they think like they're the shit.
So yeah, but then Yeah, okay, so what do you think is the majority, or do you think it's the minority that are causing the problems? Because I will say this: well, a lot of times when girls or women say that, oh, black guys, they just play chicks, or they make them baby mamas and all of this nonsense, it's usually the same type of dudes predominantly. It's usually
Yeah.
guys that will show you red flags from the jump, but because he's cute, or because he's tall, or because he's popular, yeah, you just keep your eyes closed to all the red flags, and then when it goes all tits up, now it's like, oh, all black guys are this and all black guys are that. No, it's the black guys you choose. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I hear you, but I don't think so.
So what do you think?
I just feel like even the good guys,
You know, feeling
they
is not fact, right?
I know,
Okay,
but
go
I'm
on.
just saying even the good guys, they would probably even want to like act like the niggas that ain't shit car. They don't want to come across like simps. Do you get it?
Let me ask you this: what? Describe a good guy to me. A good black guy. Describe him to me. What does that mean to you?
Like a guy that's like, do you know what I mean? Like lives with his mum and his dad. Work like gone to uni, got a job. Do you know what I mean? Like take care of his siblings or help out at home. That's a good guy.
Do you think a lot of good guys are probably like the top percent of guys that are good looking?
No.
No. Okay, so we've established that. So would you agree that a lot of chicks these days are more focused on looks than ever before?
I would say a little bit, but not a lot though.
A little bit. So what? Okay, so what do you think girls these days are the most focused on when it comes to guys that they choose?
If he's got a big and
How
money,
you're not gonna know? No, but you're not gonna know if he's got a big dick, though. How you gonna know?
yeah. Well, obviously, if she sleeps with him,
No, but I'm saying no. But the think about what I'm saying to you.
hmm
Before in the first part, when you first meet the person, you first meet the guy, yeah, or when these
yeah.
girls meet the guy, what is the first thing that is on these girls' mind? Whether I'm gonna reject him, or I'm gonna give him the number, or the snap, or the Insta. What is the first thing that the girls are judging the guy on?
Well, if he's tall and if he's got drip,
Do you know I'm laughing because I know that's true?
yeah,
And then what car does he drive?
yeah, that's important as well.
I know because I'm in this mix. So I know that this is true. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, bro, like if typically we've just established that typically, yeah, most of these girls they meet a guy and they're judging him based on his height, what clothes he's wearing, and what car he drives. Like, bro, if he turns around and turns out to be a bad guy, a scumbag, then that's on you because you picked him, bruv. You picked him based on things that are just like superficial. It don't mean nothing. If the guy's tall, it doesn't mean he's gonna be good. If he's got drip, doesn't mean he's gonna be good. And if he drives a nice car, it doesn't mean he's gonna be a good guy, bruv.
Yeah,
Do you get where I'm going with this?
yeah, yeah. I hear you. I hear you.
So I honestly say to girls, yeah, like it's okay to like boom. Obviously, you're gonna want to date somebody you find attractive. Yeah, I get that. There's nothing wrong with that. But like at the same time, you need to get to know the person. Like, what is the guy about, bruv? If all you care about as a girl that is how much money he's got and how tall he is, bro, don't be surprised if he plays you, bruv. And it doesn't matter if
Yeah,
he's making legit money or he's trapping, because there's bad
mm,
boys in every level.
yeah,
You know what I'm saying? Because, like, bruh, I just don't believe that is, like, quote unquote, good guys that are messing you girls up. It's not, bruv.
yeah. But
Bad boys,
yeah,
like me. It's bad boys like me, fam. You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
Another thing you gotta realize, yeah, a lot of guys have been played by chicks a lot in their past. So
Yeah, but I
now,
don't.
what happens
Mhm.
is a lot of these guys turn into monsters and scumbags, bruv, because you've been played, you've been rejected so much in your life, bro. Something that most girls don't ever experience. You personally have never really experienced rejection that much in your life.
What, me?
Yeah,
Nah.
that's what I'm saying. Now think about this. Me, I'm not short, I'm not broken, I'm not ugly, and I'm not fat,
Mhm.
and I'm confident as well, and I talk very well. Bro, even I've experienced a lot of rejection, bruv.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, whoa. You can't even imagine it, bruv. Do you get what I'm saying? So think
Yeah.
about the guy that is not even, and I'm not saying I'm the highest level. I'm just saying imagine a guy that's lower than me or two steps lower than me.
Mhm.
Him going out in the world trying to find a chick just to date, just to be nice to him, bruv. And
Yeah.
the guy and girls are judging guys based on how much drip they're wearing and all that stuff. Like, bro, when that guy eventually gets to the level where he's got power now, of course he's gonna be mean. What do you expect?
Yeah, that's understandable.
Because and think about it, the girls that he's probably getting now are girls that probably don't actually really like him. They just like what he's wearing or whatever, or what car he's driving, and he probably knows that.
Yeah.
Why did you call yourself Cold Heart Queen?
Because I don't really care about you guys, so
See, this is what I'm saying. Like that whole mentality is not healthy. Do you see what I'm saying about not traditional women? You're not traditional girls. Like
mm.
this whole niggas ain't shit type mentality. It's not good.
Yeah, but that stems from a lot of guys treating girls like shit. So obviously we're a lot obviously like us girls were angry, so then that's why we turn into the niggas ain't shit because you guys treat us like shit.
Let me ask you a question, and I'm not just ignoring what you're saying, but let me ask you a question. Did you grow up with your dad? Because I
Up
didn't. I never grew up with my dad. So I'm just asking, did you grow up with your dad?
up till like I was like 7 or 8.
So like teenager times, you didn't really have your dad around.
Not like that.
Alright, so let me just tell you one thing. Most of us
Hmm.
black boys and girls that didn't grow up with a dad in that crucial time of teenager time, we're fucked up.
Yeah.
That's why we don't know how to treat each other properly. That's another big issue.
Hmm.
That's why it's very easy for girls like you to pick guys wrong because you've not really seen your dad in the home. You've not really seen a good guy in your life growing up. Do you get what I'm
Yeah.
saying? You haven't had the dad there who loved you and didn't want anything sexual from you. Do you get what I'm
Hmm.
saying? And it's the
Yeah.
same way us guys, we've only grown up with our mums, so we don't even know how to be a man. We don't know how to act like a man. All we know is what we watch on TV
Hmm.
or what our friends tell us what to do. So that's why we end up doing a lot of, you know, like fucked up shit to girls. Because we don't even know what we're doing.
Yeah. That's understandable.
It's deeper than you thought. Try not to have be so cold hearted like your name towards guys because at the same time you going through issues, we're going through issues as well. Do you get what I'm saying?
Hmm.
It's a mad one still. It's mad like